I request everyone to stand up for the prayer.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதிர்ச்சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திறம் வியந்த செயல் மறந்த வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
This graduation day of Mepco Engineering College has been called on behalf of Anna University Chennai to confer the degrees upon the candidates who in the examination held in April 2023 for the purpose have been certified to be worthy of the same. I invite Mr. Ramaya Saduramalingam, Vice President, Special Technologies Limited, Chennai, to deliver the graduation day address.
Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you. You know why I'm telling 3 times? It is post lunch time. So it is challenging, right? After food. Okay. So, dear graduates, faculties, and esteemed guests, families and friends of graduates. So I'm very glad and blessed. I feel very, humbled to be here on this occasion of graduation of all of you. So today we gathered to celebrate the culmination of your hard work, dedication, and the perseverance. As you are graduating today, you are not marking end of academic journey, but you are beginning a new chapter filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. You have faced a lot of challenges and emerged victoriously. Today, you stand as a testament to the power of determination and resilience. As you step beyond the walls, remember that you are not only carry technical expertise and skills, but also the values of integrity, innovation, collaboration. These values will guide you to navigate through challenging life. Faculty members, I thank you for having nurtured these bright minds, seeding curiosity, passion. Also, I appreciate unwavering dedication to their growth and development. Thanks to the family, friends for your moral support and your encouragement have been, I'm sure, be the backbone for all these graduates today. So I request all the graduates to give big round of applause for your family members and for the faculty. Thank you. Now I request the faculty and family members to give a big round of applause to bless the graduates today. Thank you. So I'm just going to give a brief of what HCL, what we do, and a little bit of engineering and R&D services, which is a part of, I'm part of that organization. And also I'm responsible for semi-equipment business, semi-business. So I will a little bit touch upon the color of semi landscape, what is the opportunity for all of you, what kind of expectation from the industry from skill point of view, and also a little bit on work-life balance. So those are all the few topics I'm going to cover as part of my speech here. So HCL Tech started in 1976. Bright six people, they decided to quit their comfort job from DCM, and Shivnadar was the founder. They came out of their comfortable job and then decided to start the company in garage, 1976. They started with mini microcomputers and then all the way to servers, desktops, and the business grow. It started as a hardware company, then it spread its wings to operating system and database and complicated software. So till 2000 or 1997, HCL was more a product company where we have been developing HCL branded products and we have been distributing those markets, those products in the Indian market. That's what we have been doing. And later part of 1990s, we decided, why don't we leverage the R&D experience what we have got based on this product development. That is when it was spun off as a company called HCL Consulting, and then it is to the market as HCL Technologies Limited in 2000. And from there, today, this company is about $13.65 billion organization. We are providing IT, engineering and R&D services to supercharge progress for global companies. So I'm proud to say 50% of global 500 companies are part of our portfolio. And what kind of services we are offering? We are providing services in the space of verticals like manufacturing, finance services, life sciences and healthcare, telecommunication, media publishing and entertainment, retail CPG, technology services. And with the ideapreneurship, we call ideapreneurs, not employees. People, we are expecting them to come out with ideas each and every day. So that's why we have 202 lakh and 18,000 ideapreneurs spread across 60 countries. And then we have 210 plus delivery centers across the globe. And we have 60 plus innovation labs to cater to digital all the way from legacy skills and technologies. That is about our HCL. And HCL did a lot of computerization pioneering for this country. We were very heavily involved in computerization of stock exchange, railways, banking, way back when we were product companies, a product company. So now being a service company, we continue to provide those expertise what we have gained over a period of 30, 40 years to other customers now. So the engineering and R&D service market is about $2 billion out of $13.65 billion, where I am part of it. So to just to give a color of what kind of opportunities you have for engineering and R&D services, which is nothing but working very core to the product R&D and engineering. So I am not talking about infrastructure or application development. Pure play, core engineering and development is ER&D, we call it as. That service space is about $1,187 billion in 2023, and the market is about $1,276 billion in 2024, and which is poised to grow $2,642 billion by 2032. That means the revenue in 8 years is going to be doubled. That's the kind of opportunity we have in engineering and R&D space with a CAGR of 9.5% as a forecast. So why I am giving this data point? Because you have a lot of opportunity in this engineering and R&D space. So many of the countries, many of the companies, they are into this kind of services, but HCL is deeply known for the strong, deeper technical ability what we bring on the table for our customers. So that's where we completely differentiate compared to our competition, other service providers. And I would like to give a view of what kind of services we are providing, what verticals within engineering and R&D services we do provide services. The verticals are aerospace, automotive, telecommunication and networking, life sciences and medical devices, semiconductor, servers and storage, and many more. And HCL is recognized as number one engineering service provider among the all players. So we are continuously benchmarked by multiple analyst firms, and HCL stands out as the number one player in engineering and R&D space in multiple domains, whether it is semiconductor. Recently, we have been benchmarked as the number one service provider in this space. So what kind of work we do in this engineering and R&D space? So typically, I will give an example. If you take a medical field, so we actually provide services in simple, complex devices like patient monitoring system, which is non-invasive, all the way up to a very complicated device, which is called class 3 devices. So that is a kind of spectrum of complex work we do. And to take it automotive, we do a lot of infotainment system, complicated, flap control system in avionics, and landing gear mechanisms in aerospace. So we deal with a lot of complex R&D work in different verticals. And same is true for telecommunication and networking also. So then let us zoom on to semiconductors. What exactly is happening in semiconductor? So I'm sure some of our ECE graduates will appreciate what is semiconductor. So semiconductor is all about how do you control the conductivity, right, between source and drain. So that's all about semiconductor. The semiconductor forms the fundamental element for any complicated chip, whether it is a GPU or CPU or memory. So fundamental component is all about transistors. So that is all about that. So that involves complicated process. The circuit which will be transferred using lithography technique, and then it goes through a multiple process of deposition, etching, cleaning, dicing, packaging, and then packaged IC, which gets into the equipment, actual device. So it's a very, very complex, technology involved in really producing the silicon. And then coming to the what is the market opportunity that is there for semiconductor space. $611.35 billion in 2023, and then it is projected to grow about $681 billion in 2024. Again, it is supposed to be reaching $2,062 billion by 2032. So with a CAGR of 14.9%, again, if you look at it 2024 versus 2032, it's 3 times. The market is going to become 3 times. That means a lot of opportunity for in this space, whether it is chip design or chip verification validation or chip related manufacturing opportunities or the services what we are offering for our semi-equipment customers. So there is a lot of opportunities that is in place, and due to the geopolitical situation, there is a lot of shift that is happening from China and APAC regions like Taiwan and Korea. They are looking at different geo as a risk mitigation. So US is trying to bring back a lot of manufacturing fabs into their geo, and India being looked at as a very potential place for this semi equipment business, whether it is chip design or whether it is chip manufacturing also. India is being seen as a very potential opportunity geo, and there is a lot of funding being enabled by the government also. I'm sure some of you are watching Semicon India, so which is happening for 3 years. That is essentially focusing on how to create the talent required for this industry. So you are going to have a lot of opportunities in this space. Nevertheless, other verticals continue to have more opportunities as well. So coming to the ecosystem, what exactly playing a role in semiconductor? You have something called a fab where the chips are getting produced. It's called the foundries, or it's a silicon factories where these chips are getting produced. And then there are companies who actually design and then manufacture also. So that is called IDM, integrated device manufacturers like Samsung or Intel. They have the design as well as they go all the way up to the manufacturing and sell in their brand name. So they are called IDM. So they will have the entire capacity. And there will be some companies like Qualcomm where they only design the chip, but they go to the external fab for manufacturing. They are called fabless companies. And then we do have another player in this whole semi ecosystem. They are semi equipment companies. These semi equipment companies provide a very, very complex equipment. That equipment could be as large as this size, or it could be as large as one room. And then anywhere between $4 million all the way to $300 million is the one equipment cost. So just to give a complexity of the equipment. So it has got a lot of electrical components, a lot of physics related process chambers, and the lithography, and lot more is there. Software, the complexity of software, mechanical, electrical, all those things get inside the semi equipment companies. And then there are some companies who don't deal with complete manufacturing, they deal with only the post wafer processing. That's called back end processing. They are called OSAT, outsourced sub-assembly and test equipment. So these are all the part of ecosystem play. And what are all the things that are deriving this semi equipment business? So if you go back to our old days, or 20, 30 years back, the silicon is required only for desktops and then storage, magnetic, hard disk, and then you will have some servers requiring that. But today, with the kind of advancements into mobile device and the penetration of technology in autonomous cars or IoT, if I take air conditioner controlling mechanisms, and the kitchenwares, you take any oven, fridge, everything is having silicon control board to monitor the temperature and continuously turn on the compressor, turn off the compressor. Lot of things are happening using this silicon penetration. So, and again, autonomous car is a big, revolutionary change in the automotive business. And there are cars available in US with the complete autonomous. So I was there in a Tesla car where it was detecting the lane, and then it was able to apply brake when there is an obstacle that is coming in the front. So all those quick decisions are sensed by the sensors, complicated sensors in the car. Close to about 1,500 to 3,000 silicons gets inside the car. So there are situations where car manufacturing is stopped because of silicon supply. So that's the kind of silicon penetration into our life, day in, day out. And I'm sure all of you are having mobile phone and smart watches to keep monitoring your steps, walks, right? So walking steps. A simple smart watch that has got a complicated processor and a lot of memory to store the data and keep transferring the data to your application which is running on mobile phone or desktop to give analysis of how many steps you have walked, how many calories you have burnt, and things like that. So that's the kind of technology we are all living in, whether you like it or not. It is happening. It will continue to happen. So that means a lot of opportunity for us who are going to have a lot of skills related to semiconductor space. That's what I'm trying to conclude here. And then what kind of expertise is required from industry point of view, from a college point of view? So nevertheless, all the efforts by the faculty team, definitely you people are learning a lot from skills. When it comes to industry, it is a very different, expectations. How you are going to apply these learnings into practical application, right? Whether it is a software or it is a hardware product. So you have to ensure that the code what you are writing is really working on the device or the equipment. That is the difference, right? So for which you need to really have a lot of hands-on experience, debugging capability, and the logical analysis is very much required. So after that, the code is all about learning the respective, language syntax, and after that, you just coding. So what is required is that debugging skills, problem-solving skills, those are all required in the industry. After that, there are a lot of technologies. If you take a software, it is all about artificial intelligence, networking, cloud computing, Linux programming language or web development, quality assurance, and user experience. The software which you see, mobile phone, Even your child is able to operate, right? He or she is not going through any training program. I'm sure they are better than our parents or grandparents, right? They struggle to operate the mobile phones. The reason is it is very intuitive. The screen is very, very intuitive. So it's going to call for a lot of experience, really understanding the human mind and make it very intuitive without going through a lot of training. That is all about UXD. And then machine learning, database administration, data analysis, data visualization, data science, information security, and risk analysis. The more and more the data we are going to put it in the public cloud, it calls for a lot of risk. So how do we ensure that the cyber security aspects are taken care? So, and then penetration testing, compliance, automation. So the technical expectation is very high in this space. Again, each area is a very, very specialized area. The guy who is specialized in cyber security, he will know only cyber security. So they know all the standards. They also know all the country-specific standards, and then they focus on that. Same is true for data analytics. One guy could be data scientist alone. Another guy could be only data visualization guy. He'll be focusing only on Power BI or Tableau, those kind of tools. So it's a vast, expectation from the industry. You people should decide where you want to pursue your career, or wherever you are getting the job. Try to understand that company expectation or that project expectation, and try to build that expertise that is required. Coming to mechanical and civil, definitely there is a lot of I remember my days. We used to have a drawing board where we used to put the chart and then draw it with the hand. So things have changed a lot with the CAD, Creo tool, and structure analysis, thermal analysis. A lot of things are there in mechanical as well as civil world. And same is true for electrical also. Reading, I remember my days where we used to do a tape for PCB design. So nowadays you have a lot of design tools available on the computer to do schematics, PCB design, analyze, functional testing, EMI, thermal, all the way. You can do 70 to 80% of the functionality, simulation, everything when it is in the computer itself. Same is true for chip design also. When you are designing a chip, you can do a lot of simulation, you can do a lot of verification, validation before you really take it to a real silicon, physical silicon. That is the kind of technology and tools are available in the market today. And all that is required is you people should be aware of the tools and then gain the expertise that is required and then leverage it for your job. So then coming to the general skills that is required, beyond the technical, project management, business skills that are required very much. So you'll be part of some project where there will be a timeline commitment to your customer. You have to ensure that you are delivering up to the timeline committed for your task. So that is what is required. And let me switch gears into other qualities that is required by industries. So industries, they require a trust. When I say industry, it is your immediate manager. They will expect a trust from you and transparency, flexibility and dedication and conviction and honesty and truth. It is very, very essential. And please do not, play around it. So you will spoil the relationship with your RM, and then the RM will commit to his boss, and in turn, the organization is committing to the customer from the deliverable. So there is a lot of seriousness to whatever I am talking about. It is not general English. It has to be practiced day in, day out in the team. That is, very much required. So I would like to, explain one incident. It is very, very important element. This is called the fear of failure. So whenever you are going to do a POC, definitely it will not work. I'm not sure whether you have come across such experience. So if there is a team visiting you to see some working condition POC, it will not work. So many times I have seen in my personal experience. So one of the engineer who graduated just 1 year experience, I think. I remember he worked very hard. Couple of days he worked very hard to create the POC. That POC is not working. Very senior director from the customer organization. I took him for looking at the demo. What happens? As usual, the POC was not working. The person literally he cried. 1 year BE graduate guy who has done the technical aspects, but it is not working in front of the customer. He literally broke. I think that is where I am trying to give that example to ensure that to have courage, don't have fear for failure. Have courage for fixing those problems. Then I told that person, no, you will, I'm very confident that you will fix it. Then afternoon, he was able to demonstrate. So what I'm trying to tell, you will face challenges, you will come across difficulties. Don't get upset about it. So you have enough confidence that you will overcome that. Okay. Then I want to give my own example. So I was all along working in a product company, product R&D. So when I switched over to service business, it's a very different expectations. When it is a product R&D, it is all controlled by our own team, my own team. That is how it is to work. Whereas in the service business, the expectation is very different. You will have different stakeholders. You have to manage the project very well in terms of schedule, in terms of cost, in terms of timeliness, quality, lot more things are there. So what I did, I personally went through a project management certification course called PMP. It is run by Project Management Institute. So why I'm giving that example, whenever the change in the job is required, try to identify what is the certification that is required and try to go through that. It will give you more confidence and you can also feel confidently, talking to your team as well as to the customer. So there is an example I want to give. And then I want to touch upon the last very important point, but it is related to health. So all our parents, they really work very hard in really bringing you people up, and then seeing you people joining a company, and some of you would have joined the company, earning money and sending back to the parents, partially or not at all, it's fine. Even if you're not giving, parents will be always happy, right? Seeing you children, earning money. But what is very important is you people should ensure that the work-life balance is managed well so that you don't spoil your health. So there is a message I want to give. Towards that, try to practice some art form. It could be singing, dancing, whatever you like, painting, gardening, whatever you like. Please do that at some time. Or if you are a person who likes physical activities, go for some games, right? It could be shuttle or badminton or whatever you want to do. So just try to do that so that you keep yourself fit. Again, I just want to give one example to just connecting yourself with the mind. So I will give a story. It is called the cat and guru story. So one guru, he will be taking classes for the disciples in olden days. So what happens is there will be a cat which is crossing inside the class and disturbing the class. So what the guru will tell, he will ask one of the disciples to go and tie that cat to the pillar there so that it is not impacting the classes. So he has done that. Next day morning again, before the guru is starting the classes, that fellow will come and religiously ensure that the cat is tied. So this was going on, right? So on one day, the guru passed away. He passed away, and then the cat also died. Okay. After that, the guru's next person, successful person, is taking over the class, uh, taking the classes. And then they have not understood what is the reason for the cat, why it was tied to the pillar. So he called one of the disabled and then said, in our guru days, we used to tie one cat to the pillar, right? Please go and get one cat and tie it to the pillar. This is what will happen in our life. If you don't understand things why you are doing, you may end up in doing things very, very mechanically. So be mindful of what you are doing. So why you are doing, get convinced and then do it. So whether it is job or personal thing, please put your heart and mind to understand why each and everything is happening so that the great tool mind can be used in a positive way so that you do things with a positive attitude so that you can get back positive. So if you do good, you will get back good. So that is a thought with which I stop here, and I take a moment to thank management, Mepco management, for giving me opportunity, and principal Dr. Arivulaga. Thank you so much, and thanks all the faculty. Thank you.
I now request our chief guest, Mr. Ramaya Seduramalingam, to share the pleasure of distributing degree certificates to the graduates. Let the candidates be now presented by the respective head of the departments in the following order: MCA, ME Structural Engineering, ME Power Electronics and Drives, ME Communication Systems, ME Computer Science and Engineering, ME Industrial Safety Engineering, BE Computer Science and Engineering, BE Mechanical Engineering, BTech Information Technology, BTech Biotechnology, then in absentia candidate.
Mr. President, I, Dr. K. Kanagaraj, present unto you these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Master of Computer Applications from the Anna University. Aparna S. Akila R. She secured first rank. Aruna Devi G. She secured second rank. Bhavitra KP. Haridarsini MR. Harita AJ. Joyce Evangeline. Kadambari. She secured sixth rank. Kirtana S. Kritika S. Muttujaya Malini B. Nandini K. Nisha D. Nitya S. Padmavati R. Pragati V. Rajalakshmi S. Rosini R. Sri Varsha TN. Sri Nisa B. She secured third rank. Srinidhi S. Subhasini A. Sweta M. Yogalakshmi P. Bharati S. Arun Kumar K. Deepak S. Yasaki Vinayagam V. Giridharan V. Jaikannan T. Jeevagan M. Lakshmi Narayanan L. Mahesh Kumar T. Nandagopal P. Bhakyaraj R. Palavesam Alais Raju M. Pradeep Chakravarti R. Pradeep V. Prakash Gideon AKK. Prashant S. Ram Vignesh BS. Shakti Naveen K. Sanjeevan R. Srinivasan K. Shyam Kumar B. Sivasankar T. Subhash Chandra Bose M. Suresh Kumar M. Valli Raja P. Vignesh S. and Vishal S.
Mr. President, I, Dr. K. Babukannan, present unto you these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Master of Engineering in Structural Engineering from the Anna University. Christabel Rose J. Fatima Hasina M. Harshani R. Pakya Ishwari R., who secured the first rank. Sona S. Dhanasekhar K. Kirtivasan V. Rahul C. Sanjay Madhavan V. Saravanan S. Sivasurya K. and Subhash M.
Mr. President, I, Dr. N. Senthil Kumar, present unto you these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Master of Engineering in Power Electronics and Drives from the Anna University. Aishwarya M., first rank holder. Gayatri S. Tangalakshmi P. and Prakash K.
Mr. President, I, Dr. S. Anand, present up to these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Master of Engineering in Communication System from the Anna University. Murugula S. First rank. Rakshana C. Sharan Hepzibah J. and Sriram P.
Mr. President, I, Dr. V. Gulda Jeshili, present unto you these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Master of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering from the Anna University. M. Swarna. S. Dinesh. M. Giridhar.
Mr. President, I, Dr. P. Nagaraj, present unto you these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Master of Engineering in Industrial Safety Engineering from the Anna University. Akhilesh R. He secured the second rank. Ajay S. Asik Ahmad MA. Dinesh Kumar K. Kishore B. Pattu Soumya Narayanan. Prabhakaran B. Praveen J. Rahul J. and Rajesh KS.
Mr. President, I, Dr. P. Golda Jeshili, present unto you these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering from the Anna University. Yes, Abarna Annalakshmi. R. Abhirami. R. Aishwarya. Yes, Akila. P. Amritashi. Balamurugan Ramya. Bharadashri. Durga. Gayatri. Hena. Harini. Jayashri. Joe Anthony Shelshia. Kasturi. Kritika. Krishi. Lekashri. Mahasivapriya. Navina. Nisha. Nivashini. Pushpalata. Sivashankari. Sri Purnima. Sweta. R. Shweta. M. Amirdraj. N. Anandakannan. M. Antonitish. B. Adinarayanan. T. Balaji. M. Balasubramanian. B. Bhuvanesh. A. Chinnamuniandi. R. Girivasan. S. Hariharan. M. Joshua Dayalan. T. Madan. S. Manivaran. T. Manish. M. Manoj Kumar. M. Muhammad Umar. N. Nandakrishnan. P. Nirai Pandian. S. Praveen. M. Rajkumar, R. Rohit, B. Santosh, P. Satish Kumar, R. Satish Kumar, K. Arun Priyan, M. Pugalendhi, M. Abhinaya, P. Amira Fatima, S. Anjana, T. Archana, M. Harshini, G. Irday Nancy, A. Jaba Jabas, I. Juno Flora, A. Kirtana Priya, C. Kiran Pandiyamal, T. Lekha Priyadarshini, S. K. Manasa, K. Mahalakshmi, S. Meghala Shivani, Meghala Devi, rank 16, Nivedita, rank 8, Priyadoshini Devi, Ritu, Rufina, Sabarishri, Samyukta, Shruti, Vishnu Priya, Anandaraman, Arun Pandian, Abhinash, Dhanush Sundaresan, Gopinath, Harihara Sudan, Joshua Vikas Silvaraj, Leonard, Manoj Kannan, Manoj Kumar, Muhammad Yunus, Monesh Kumar, Perachi Srinidhi, Pon Surya, Raghavan, Rahul, Santosh, Saravanan, Somnath Babu, Sri Nandakumar, Tirumalai Bhubadi, Vishnu Venkatraman, Srivatsan, Sudarshan, Aishwarya, rank 15, Deepika, Devi Prabha, Gokila, V. Gokila, Aishwarya, Jeevareka, Jemima Rubavadi, Kanchana, Kavya, Pavitra Devi, Priyadarshini, Ritika, Sanjana, Sandana Lakshmi, Sandhya, Shanmuga Sundareswari, Sharan, Shri Subraja, Siva Sangita, Smita Rajini, Tanisha, Vidarshana, Vigneshwari, Vijay Lakshmi, rank 17, Adit Tillai Arasu, Ajit Kumar, Akash, Gopi Krishnan, Jetson Cyrus, Kadiravan, Kaushik Balaji, Mari Saravanan, Mariappan, Prakash, Pranav, Pradesh, Purushothaman, Rajesh, Rajkumar, Ram Kumar, Ram Kumar, Saravana Kumar, rank 2, Saravanan, Selva Yogiram, Srivatsan, Stalin Raj, Sayadasan, and Yogeshwaram.
Mr. President, I, Dr. P. Nagaraj, present unto you these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering from the Anna University. Pongori K. Abhay S. Adrian Ravindraj. Alagu Muttuvel. B. Arun Kumar P. Ashwin Kumar N. Balaji N. Sidambar Raju G. He secured 8th rank. Dinesh Kumar A. Aegis K. He secured 8th rank. Godwin Rajkumar S. Haris R. Ibrahim Raja M. Jay Praveen J. Mahavishnu R. Manoj A. Madesh Kumar K. He secured 6th rank. Madhyalagan B. Mohana Navanida Krishnan R. Mukesh Kumar M. Naveen Kumar S. Nidhish Karthik M. Pandirajan B. Praveen Kumar R. He secured 5th rank. Rahit V. Rajkumar A. Rohit Arasan T. He secured 2nd rank. Safrin G. Santosh Kumar R. He secured 14th rank. Sandru S. Sridharan C. Srivasan S. He secured 18th rank. Subhas Prabhu S. Yuvaraja M. Varun Sri Kogul R. Chandru S. Ganesh Kumar M. Lakshmi Narayanan S. Manoj K. Mohammad Ibrahim M. Nandabalan KV. He secured 18th rank. Pandiswaran V. Pranav S. Venkateswaran K. He secured 13th rank. Yogesh Raghav K. Hariprasad R. Cyril G. Dane D. Dinesh Kumar M. Gogul S. Gautam Pandi P. Gurubaran S. Hariprakash G. Harigarasudan S. Hari Kishore V. Harish K. Jiva Pandi S. Joe Sam Tani J. Gajendra Babu P. Karthikeyan P. Logesh Prasad M. Malan N. Muhammad Hussain R. Mukesh Krishna M. Muthukumar N. Muthuramaguru S. He secured 15th rank. Naveen Kumar R. He secured 7th rank. Naveen MC. Nitish K. Palni Kumar D. One Kumara Pandya AM. He secured the first rank. Rajamani T. Rajesh V. Raj Vikram D. Saravana Kumar N. Sadish Kumar T. Surabhubadi K. Surya Saran S. Vignesh Baran S. Vijay Krishna P. He secured 17th rank. Yogaraj S. Yogeshwaran M. Arun Kumar T. Hariprasad KP. Kasinathan G. Nitish Kumar J. Saran Raj S. Venkatesh B. Viswajit S. Amaresh Raja M. Antoriansen A. Balamurugan VV. He secured 4th rank. Saranjit TV. Sokalingam P. Dhanasekaran R. Dhyanesh PA. Govil Gandhi S. Gogul Viswanath MS. He secured 13th rank. Kausik Kumar M. Gautam M. Guhan P. Guru Prasad M. Harisudan R. He secured 10th rank. Kannan SM. He secured 8th rank. Karthikeyan P. Karthikeyan V. Krishna P. He secured 12th rank. Madan Babu N. Manoj Kumar P. Muhammad Mubarak R. Murali Krishna M. S. Nagaraja. Naveen Kumar R. Pawan Chandar C. Pavitran T. Pradeep B. He secured 11th rank. Praveen K. Rahul N. Raja Ruthresh OMK. She secured 9th rank. Rajagopal T. Roshan S. Sabarinath M. Sai Siva G. Saktivel E. Santosh Gobinath GS. Sasikumar A. He secured 10th rank. Somasundaram R. Srihari H. Vasant Kumar K. Vignesh Kumar G. Vignesh N. Vijay Sanmugam C. Vivin Raj S. Amarnath P. Augustine A. Bavitran M. Chandrasurya P. Francis Marcian P. He secured 16th rank. Saravana Perumal P. Sendil Rajan V. And Vasanta Kumar N.
Mr. President, I, Dr. T. Revati, present unto you these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology from the Anna University. Abhitanjali P.V. Aishwarya Tangam S. Apurva Raman, Bharati Leela T, Bhumika A, Deepa Sri VK, Deeparani S, Darshini N, Harita K, Jaypriya R, Jayashree S, she secured second rank. Kavya Vashni K, Mahalakshmi S, Mahasri JS, Meenaloshni B, Niveta A, Priyadashni K, Rajeshwari K, Ritika S, Rina Jose, she secured fourth rank. Sarja Lakshmi C, Sridashni D, she secured first rank. Snega G, Subita M, Dhanasweta A, Vijayalakshmi A, she secured a fifth rank. Yogalakshmi K, Ajit Rajkumar MS, Anbumani P, Balasubramanian S, Deepan Raj C, Jabas Winston E, Krishna Kumar R, Mahesh Kumar N, Manigandan RV, Mohanarutran R, Naveen G, Priyan J, Sriram S, Tarun M, Vignesh Raj GGA, he secured third rank. Vikram AK, Vishnu Pragadishwaran, he secured sixth rank.
Mr. President, I, Dr. M.L. Stephen Raj, present unto you these candidates who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Technology in Biotechnology from the Anna University. Abhisha K, she secured third rank. Aishwarya Shivalika, yes, she secured second rank. Anandi K. Anita S. Anuprabha R. Aparna A. Deepika S. Divya P. She secured 5th rank. Ishwarya M. Gayatri S. Harini SM. Jennifer A. Kritika Sundari J. Krishnaveni V. Matumita K. Mehta Ramani C. Mohammed Samin Miral I. Nishantini M. Padmabadi A. Priyadarshini S. Raghavi M. She secured 4th rank. Raga Darshini S. Raja Aishwarya G. Sandhya Lakshmi A. Sharmila Devi M. Sherin Brighty A. Sneha M. Sulaiha Juwaria AM. Vaishnavi G. Visalakshi K. Vaishali C. Afsar Ahmad M. Deva Prasanna R. Dharmendran N. Guru Prasad AG. Janathanan GK. Gandhan Isaki N. Kesava Murthy N. Manoj Kumar SR. Mohammed Musharraf M. Mohan Kumar M. Murali Krishnan M. Surya Prakash P. Surendra Bharati RT. And Vijay Mugilan G.
Mr. President, I, Dr. K. Jayasubramanian, present unto you these candidates in absentia who have been certified by duly appointed examiners to be qualified to receive degrees of Master of Computer Applications, Master of Engineering in Structural Engineering, Power Electronics and Drives, Communication Systems, Computer Science and Engineering, Industrial Safety Engineering, Bachelor of Engineering from Computer Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology and Biotechnology from the Anna University, Chennai. So Master of Computer Applications, so Aloysius Anisa M, rank 4,
Hemasri R. Janani Amruda B. Priyanka SS. Saranya Dilla S. She secured 5th rank. Kumar M. Shaktivel A. Tamil Selvan D. Venkatesh R. And Master of Engineering in Structural Engineering, Venkat Raghavan K. And Master of Engineering in Communication Systems, Pavitram Sri S.K., Nandini R., Pavitran K., Ramajayam K. And Master of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering, Priyadarsini M. She secured 1st rank. And Master of Engineering in Industrial Safety Engineering, Divakar V.G., Prem Venkatesh M., Sabaris R., Sanjay Dani I., Shanavas S., Sivasankar M., Srinivasan M., Tamilvana T.S., Vigneswaran N. He secured 1st rank. Then Bachelor of Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Sneha Raksha S.K., Susma S., Aldrin Jnanoj G., Dev Kartigeyan A.V., Hariharan C., Asilma B.J., Revati V., Shanu V., Gunasegar M., Kishore B., Nabil Ahmed H., Ranjudan B., Selva Mariswaran B., Vignesh T. He secured rank 12. In Kobiga RM, Kaniraj S., Kartik Raja S., Rajakumaran G., Simeon J.R. Then Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Anandaraja S., Arvin Vincent V. He secured 3rd rank. Churchill Sams Daswa I. Jawahar T. Kartis S. Kartigeyan K. Nathan K. Premkant M. Chiranjeevi R.K. Suyambu Krishna Surya C. Abhinand S. Agas M. Aravind P. Mohammad Ityas M. Parthasarathi S. Praveen Kumar V. Prem Chandra N. Sahaya Bannister Nitin J. Sai Agas Kumar SV. Surya Kumar R. Surya Kumar TS. Inish K. Siddharth M. Sivasaktivel B. Viswa Kesav Narayan A. Vishnu Rohit S. Then Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology, Abarna A. Darshini K. Lakshmi Priya G. Madhusri J. Renuga S. Audai Nandu S. Nitin Singh R. Ritun Vikas B. Sabari Sivaprakash S. Saliman Faris K. Surya SS. Vasant Kumar R. Then Bachelor of Technology in Biotechnology, Afrin B. Divya Bharati M. Siji Hari Krishnan. She secured 6th rank. Kogila Devi, Crisco GM. She secured 4th rank. Manusri K. Nandini S. Selva Parameswari S. She secured 1st rank. Shanmuga Sundari A. and Vigneswara.
Let all the candidates stand up now for the conferment of the degrees. By virtue of the authority delegated by the Anna University Chennai, I admit you to the degree of Faculty of Computer Application, Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Information Technology, and Biotechnology, for which you have been declared qualified in this university, and in token thereof you have been presented with these diplomas, and I authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of your degrees. I now request the chief guest to sign the records of degrees awarded. This graduation day is now dissolved. Let us conclude with the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे